Okay, so what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be taking a look at Clover Health Investment. Okay, we're going to be leading everything on my chart because I want to go more in depth from the bear start. So make sure to stick out with me. We're going to be covering some good things like uh, what will be happening with all the short squeeze. I will be giving you my predictions when the short squeeze, where the short squeeze, the thing that will be happening, and all the other good stuff. Okay, some good information out here, and let us get straight into it. Okay, First of all, I just want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing, and let's get straight into it. Okay, consider liking and subscribing again. So, first of all, that 5 hours ago I saw something, or 4 hours, no, like I saw something like 1 hour ago that on the stock hype underscore io that Clover or like $ Clover hashtag Clov, it was like 250% like increase in the search increase on Google in the past 4 hours. Okay, so exactly for the past 4 or 5 hours. So yeah, we're getting the traction that we want. Also on Reddit there was like 41,000 members out there on in the Reddit community. And there also was a update like 4 hours ago that zero shares are available again in the Fintel, and the Fintel has still not answered me about the data they deleted yesterday. Okay, a lot of people are still on them. I don't know what the hell is going to be what is happening with the shorts availability and all the other stuff. But I just want to talk about one person what he said about the club FTD. Okay, he first of all he apologized for his Taliban image, but I want to raise the FTD topic. Okay, the other day I had nothing to do and I started looking at all the stocks that had a short squeeze this year. In addition to the GME and AMC the FTD 5.5%, and 3 months later it jumped to the price of 3,500% to the upside. Then GME FTD 4.5% after 2 months leap in price in 3,000 to 4,000%. The workhorse FTD is 2%, and 2 months later it jumped to 100%. The triple BY FTD is 1.7%, and after 3 months it leaped to 300%. And PRTS FTD 1.4% after 3 months. We saw a jump of right around 100%. Okay, in a short, I said like this. Check this. Check the companies. Went through all the meme like tickers of Reddit among the other things, and at some point I caught myself that seeing the number of the shares in FTDs and the subsequent price shares in the FTDs. Okay, and it in the jump after a while. I can roughly determine how many shares in the company are in a circulation, and suddenly I guessed the approximate number of shares. Well, give or take 20, around 20 million. This is from a person. Okay, I'm just reading what he said, and this is from Associate SOS Site Pistols. Okay, Pisos, something like that. Okay, and he says, and then I come to a Palantir, or like ticker symbol PLTR. I see that they had a jump in FTDs of 20 million shares in February, but the price chart shows calm and silence. Okay, a huge number of shares in the FTDs and no impact on the price. I must admit, at the moment I was afraid. He said that at the moment I was afraid. Did the theory fail? After all, in order for such a huge number of shares in FTDs not to affect the price, the total number of shares in circulation should be huge. I looked at how many shares a Palantir has in turnover, and it is like 1.8 billion. So FTD is about 1%. Everything is fine. Okay. In general, what I'm talking about, all companies whose FTDs was at least 2% had a jump after 2 to 4 months. In the case of GM and AMC and their FTD in the region of the 5%, the growth was already 3,000 to 4,000%. Oh, and yes, do you know what FTD Clov had on July 8th to be precise? Okay, it was 12.8%, and I will leave that like conclusion to you. I will only say that I have not seen such a percentage in any other company. See for yourself how surprisingly the FTD chart and the price chart correlate. Okay, and right here we have kind of a pictures from the GME, AMC, Workhorse, and then we have Clover Health Investment. Okay, we will see what will be happening. I'm pretty excited for that. And also, what I want to read about is that Wall Street expected $200 million in revenue, and we delivered 412.5 million in revenue in quarter four, in quarter two. Okay, and here I mean, on 11th of August we had the earnings. Okay, on 11th of August, right now we are 13th, so it was like 2 days ago. The market is still not open. Just keep that in mind. It will open like 30 minutes or so, no, 45 minutes or so. But yet, short sellers shorted this company some more. These guys are creating an ever bigger trap, like even bigger trap that I'll bite them, that it will bite them in the rear fairly soon. We are worth $30 to $40 per share minimum. Okay, hashtag Clov. And right now, as you see, we are at $9. I absolutely think that we can kind of push and skyrocket to the upside. We will see what will be happening with that. First of all, I just want to mark up the chart for you guys. We're going to be first of all going to the weekly chart right here. And okay, so first of all, I will just add this line right here. So we don't want to break through that because this was kind of the the bottom. Okay. Also, then on the daily chart, as you can see, I can add something like this to here because we never kind of broke through the structure right here, and like we're holding pretty good structure from like 19th of July. Okay, and it is like what um, for like 18, no, like for 24 days, but there was like 18 trading days. Okay, so yeah, screw that. Right now, what we're waiting for is kind of break through the structure. We can wait for a breakthrough structure through from here. Also, we can be using this line right here too. Like, why wouldn't we? Because this was the open. You can also use that. But yeah, like previously, what will happen? We did kind of break through the structure, but it was like one all open right here. Then we kind of fall back down on the 4 hour time frame. But we'll see if you kind of hold this level above, make a new higher high right here, the new higher high, then kind of retest this zone right here because I do believe this will get filled. Okay. Also, this needs to get filled because there was a gap, and also this is a good retest area too. So this zone is I think that we will hit that zone. Okay, the simple as that. And no, this is not actually. I would say that this was actually it, but it is not. Okay, first of all, on the lower time frame, as you can see, we did kind of range for quite a while right here. We were kind of going. Can also draw something like this, kind of a cup and handle motion, but we don't want that. Okay, this is how it will look like right now on the daily chart. And if you kind of zoom out, like really zoom out, this is how it looks like. Okay, so like for like I know that you can understand this, but as you can see, we started like working this from in 8th of June 2020. So we kind of do these lines. Okay, we kind of push back down to this area. We push back up, then down again. This was at 17th of May. So imagine we got in right there. Okay, it could have been up to right around now like 33%, but to the like high right there that I see right now, it could have been up like 328%. So a lot of people did kind of manage to cash out, or this was kind of a glitch or so. No, a lot of people did manage to cash out, but then the stock kind of really fall back down. But I really believe that from here on that we're about to like push, really push to the upside. Okay. But okay, screw that. And yeah, this will be basically for today's video, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and consider liking and subscribing. Okay. Bye.